Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're gonna be doing this look here. I hope you guys are ready. I've been missing some glitter, and talking about glitter, you guys, ever since I did this look I now have glitter literally all over my room. So this is actually another recreation. This is a recreation from this amazing talented artist that I found on Instagram. Her name is Dorotea. I think that's how you say it. Oh my god, I hope I'm not butchering her name. Rajnovic. And I found this look that she did and it was just amazing and I had to recreate it. I just love the colors. Green is actually one of my favorite colors. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure you guys are already subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and all that good stuff. So first things first, we are going to start off with brows. So I'm gonna be using one of my favorite brow products from beige. This is the Perfect Brow Pencil. I honestly do not know why people don't talk about this product because it's legit amazing. Like amazing. And this is in the shade dark brown. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sketch out the bottom portion of the brows, and then I'm going to start flicking the pencil upwards and just start to fill in the brow just very slightly. I don't want to put too much product on my brows because I don't want them to be bold. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of like dispersing it very lightly, very light-handed. And then once I go ahead and brush through it with the spoolie, the product starts to blend out even more throughout the brows. So it kind of just fills it in just by, you know, using the spoolie and blending that product out. But yeah, just pretty much doing the brows, getting them to how I want them to look and all that good stuff. And then once we finish the brows, we move on to cleaning them up a bit, making them even more crisp and sharp and clean. And as always, I am using my P. Louise base in shade Rumor 2. You guys should already know this is my all-time favorite base. I love P. Louise bases. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the brows as you guys see here, and then I'm going to start to spread it all over the lid to prep the lid for eyeshadow. Now I have so many videos coming up, you guys, and I want you guys to start commenting down below what kind of looks you guys want to see. I'm gonna hold off on purchasing new releases for reviews just because money's tight, okay? And we need to start saving. All right, we need to start saving. So I'm gonna just start creating, you know, looks for you guys, and I don't know, try to, you know, teach all that I can for you. So yeah, just let me know what kind of looks you guys would like to see. Fall looks, Halloween is coming up, so trust me, spooky season is going to be amazing. So yeah, just let me know down in the comment section what you guys want to see. And you can also hit me up on Instagram, like if you have an idea, and DM me and let me know. Alright, and then I'll try my hardest to do all those videos. So today we're using the Alien palette from Gerard Cosmetics. I absolutely love the colors in this palette. So when I saw this look on the girls page, I definitely had to pull out my Alien palette for this. So I'm using those two green shades that I showed you. It's the dark green that's in the palette, and then this really light pastel lime green. And right now I'm just stamping the color in the place that I want it to be. So I'm creating the shape that I want, and as you guys see here, I have tape on the outer portion of the eye to help with that crisp line, that crisp, sharp, clean line, instead of doing it with like the wipe and stuff. So I use a tape and it makes it a lot easier. So once the dark green is down and slightly blended out, I go in with that nice lime green shade and I go ahead and I put that on top of it. And you guys should already know like how I do shadows and stuff. I actually did a blending video, and you know how I get that pigmentation, the color payoff and everything. So I'll leave that in the cards for you guys, and you guys can check that out if you haven't. But I'm pretty much gonna be going back and forth with the colors to make sure that the pigment of the colors is exactly where I want it to be, and also to make sure that the blend is very, very seamless and it gets that gradient effect that we like to see in makeup looks. So once everything is good, I'm gonna go in with cutting the crease, and I'm gonna be cutting it in that wing shape. So I'm gonna continue on here, cut it just like that. I'm gonna keep the shape going. So now I'm gonna go right back into that dark green from the palette, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill in the lid space, but I'm going to leave a negative space above it. So it's like the crease is gonna be cut, and then you're gonna have like a negative space, and then you're gonna have the lid. So I'm gonna be following the shape, and I'm gonna leave that crease area here with no product, and I'm also gonna leave the center of the eyelid here as well, so that I can put the lime green on top of it. Now I do want to say I think my camera stopped recording when I did the glitter part, because that's what I think it stopped recording when I did glitter, when I did flashes. So I'm gonna let you guys know what glitter I use. I use the glitter from Fluttered by Rose. You can go ahead and check them on Instagram. They're one of the companies that I love, 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 love their glitters. Like the mixes are just super. Like I'm telling you, they're freaking amazing. And I use two of them, and I mix them together. So the first one that I use is called Sweet Tooth, which is a gorgeous lime green shade. And then the other one that I use, it was like a mixture. It had like a kind of like a teal color in it. I don't know how to explain it, but it was like it looked blue, but then it had like green reflex in it as well. So I mixed those two together because Sweet Tooth, even though it was like a lime green, it was like kind of like a dark lime green, and I wanted it to like really, really pop. So by mixing the two, I was able to get this bomb ass mix, you guys. I'm loving it. And just so you know, I do know that my lash was wonky, okay? I know I had a wonky lash, so don't come for me because I already know. So now we're just gonna go with the face, and I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. putty primer, bomb primer. It definitely like helps fill in the pores. And I'm gonna be using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation in 115. I don't understand why people are not talking about this foundation, because this foundation is amazing. Like I've been actually reaching for this foundation a lot more lately for like videos and looks. Like the coverage is just amazing, as you guys can see. Look at that, just covered everything. Coverage is amazing. And what I like too, like even though it's matte, it's like a soft matte. Like it's not over drying or anything like that, and it just sits so pretty. And the longer it's on the skin, it just turns into like a natural finish in a way. So gonna go ahead and just do that for foundation. And then for concealer and cream contour, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way. Thank you to Jackie Anner for putting me on, because you guys, I've been in love. I've actually been using this so much lately. And then as always, I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchstick in Mocha. I'm gonna go ahead, put that all on and blend it into the skin, and then I'll just tell you guys what I'm gonna be doing, because I'm like talking hella fast. Once all that is blended, I do use my ABH loose setting powder in banana, which I don't have that clip either. I don't know what happened. I don't think I was really paying attention to when my camera stopped recording, you guys, so I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. But then I go in with my Gerard Cosmetics honeymoon palette, and I use the Forever bronzer shade to bronze and contour the skin, and then I also use the blush that was in that palette as well, and I also go in with the Starstruck palette and I use the highlight shade in Maryland. So you guys see I have the powder baking a little bit. So that's the palette, and I use that blush and that bronzer, and then you're gonna see the highlighting palette. And then for the lips, I believe I use the Midas Cosmetics Suede Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty. I will let you guys know for sure. Just check the description. And then for the lipstick, I believe I use Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Can't Relate. So yeah, just check down below for products, because sometimes I be like forgetting, especially if I don't show it in the video. I be forgetting, okay? I really do be forgetting. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think I'm gonna start doing more voiceovers, so if you like them, please let me know. If you don't, I'm super sorry, but it'd be really noisy in my house, so it'd be hard sometimes. So I'm really sorry. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this look. That way I can continue to do makeup tutorials for you guys. And also follow me on social media. I am on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and Snapchat, I believe. So yeah, everything is Beauty with Rose. Everything will be down below besides Snapchat. I believe Snapchat is RoseV, as in Victor, MUA. So yeah, that's it. I love you guys bunches, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, so yeah, I did show the products for the lips. And the gloss was a Kathleen Lights gloss. So yeah, love you guys. Bye.